Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the PEIPEI update today. And we have a very bad closing on the weekly time frame. If you check the comment section, I have given you the invitation link to the Discord. Now, the thing is, I have been talking about the weekly time frame for quite some time, and I'm going to remove a lot of the drawings here so that we can talk about this weekly candles here, right? So number one is that you have a massive red candle right there. Massive red candle. Now this massive red candle actually is overtaking this green candle that we saw previously, and it is like this for pretty much every altcoins at the moment, because last week we have seen some drops. We've seen PEIPEI even dropping down after pumping to 1400. It's actually at 1100 now, and it has been dropping down at the moment. And this actually shows and means that the sellers are still taking control of the market. Now eventually it does seem like the plan is to come and take this wick down there. And also I'm going to shift on the daily time frame and tell you one more thing that I think is about to happen. So if I do notice, this here is a loss of support at the moment, right over there, okay? And also it does look to me as if a bear flag has been created at the moment, and that looks something like this. So this, when you move down, you move sideways, you create something known as a bear flag that actually looks like a problem. And then you take the trend line, and I think the trend line goes from there to there, and you might actually see PEIPEI actually coming to the lowest of the lowest, which is 453, and that's the literally bottom or previous bottom right over there, and this one right over here. So that's all for the video, just a quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.